I've been on the hunt for the best kitchen knife sets, buying and testing them so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Kitchen knives are fundamental, and having the right tools can make or break your cooking experience. Let's dive into the top 5 knife sets that really stood out to me.
Product number 1. Cook 13 Pieces Kitchen Knife Set. When I first unboxed the Cook 13-piece knife set, I was immediately impressed by the sleek cream-colored design. This set features a variety of essential knives: an 8-inch chef knife, an 8-inch slicing knife, a 7-inch santoku knife, and more. The anti-rust coating caught my eye. It not only protects the blades from oxidation, but also ensures they remain clean and hygienic. As someone who loves cooking, I was excited to put these knives to the test. I found the chef knife to be incredibly versatile, slicing through vegetables and meats with ease. The serrated bread knife effortlessly glided through crusty loaves, making sandwich prep a breeze. One of the standout features is the inclusion of blade guards, allowing me to safely store the knives in my kitchen cupboard without worrying about accidents. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the variety in this set means you have a knife for every cooking task. The anti-rust coating is a fantastic feature, and the lifetime warranty adds a layer of reassurance. However, the plastic handles may not provide the premium feel that some might expect from higher-end brands. Still, for the price, you can't really complain. So, why should you buy this set? If you're a beginner or someone looking for a reliable kitchen companion that won't break the bank, this set is an excellent choice. It's practical, versatile, and comes with a lifetime warranty, making it a no-brainer for anyone looking to enhance their cooking game. Product number 2. Cook 15-piece knife set with block. The Cook 15-piece knife set, which comes with a beautiful wooden block. As soon as I set it up on my countertop, it added a touch of elegance to my kitchen. This set includes everything from an 8-inch chef knife to a 4.5-inch serrated steak knife, and even a kitchen shear. The built-in sharpener was a game changer. I found that I could keep my knives in top shape with minimal effort. I was particularly impressed with the black non-stick coating on the stainless steel blades, which seemed to repel stains and rust. During my cooking sessions, I noticed that the knives maintained their sharpness remarkably well. Now let's break down the pros and cons. One major pro is the built-in sharpener, which is incredibly convenient. The knife block also keeps everything organized and within reach. On the downside, the wooden block does take up counter space, which can be a concern for those with smaller kitchens. Why buy this set? If you value convenience and aesthetics in your kitchen, this knife set is a fantastic investment. It's not just about having a knife, it's about having a complete system that makes your cooking experience enjoyable and efficient.
Product number 3. Henkel's Statement Premium 15-piece set. Let's talk about the Henkel's Statement Premium 15-piece set. As soon as I got my hands on these knives, I could feel the quality. The stainless steel blades are ultra sharp and designed for precision cutting. The set includes everything you might need, including a professional honing steel and kitchen shears, all housed in a stylish hardwood block. I put the chef's knife to work on a variety of tasks, from dicing onions to slicing through a roast, and it performed flawlessly. The lightweight design made it easy to maneuver, which is essential for longer cooking sessions. In terms of pros and cons, the razor-sharp blades definitely stand out as a major pro. They maintain their edge with minimal care, which is a huge plus for busy cooks. However, with the higher price point, this set may not be for everyone, especially if you're just starting out. So, why would you buy this knife set? If you're serious about cooking and want tools that will last a lifetime, this is a worthwhile investment. The craftsmanship and performance make it a standout in the kitchen, and you'll appreciate the difference every time you cook.
Product number 4. Cook 21 Pieces Knife Sets for Kitchen. If you're looking for a complete kitchen solution, the Cook 21-piece knife set is a fantastic option. This set is loaded with everything from a pro boning knife to a cheese knife, making it the ultimate multitasker for any kitchen. When I opened the box, the sheer variety of knives was impressive. The built-in sharpener is a lifesaver, especially when you're in the middle of prepping a meal. I put the utility knife to the test slicing through various ingredients, and it held its edge beautifully. The black anti-rust coating is not just about looks, it really does keep the knives clean and free from stains. Pros and cons? The extensive range of knives is definitely a pro. You won't find yourself needing another knife set anytime soon. The built-in sharpener is also a big plus for convenience. The only downside I found was that the set is quite heavy, which could be a concern for those who prefer lighter utensils. Why buy it? If you cook often and want a comprehensive set that covers all your bases, this knife set is for you. It's an all-in-one solution that makes meal prep a joy rather than a chore.
Product number 5. Amazon Basics 14-piece knife set. Let's not overlook the Amazon Basics 14-piece knife set. This set is an excellent option for those who are just starting out or want a reliable set without spending a fortune. It features high-carbon stainless steel blades that deliver precision results. I found the traditional handle design comfortable and easy to grip, which was great for longer cooking sessions. The set includes an 8-inch chef's knife and several other essential knives, along with a knife block for storage. In terms of pros and cons, the affordability is a huge pro. You get a lot of value for your money. The ergonomic handles offer excellent balance and control, making it easier to slice through what you need. However, one downside is that these knives should be hand-washed, which can be a hassle for some. Why should you buy this set? If you're just starting your cooking journey or need a dependable knife set without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. It's practical, easy to use, and provides everything a beginner would need to thrive in the...
In conclusion, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, having the right kitchen knife set is crucial. Each of these sets has its unique strengths, and I hope this deep dive helps you choose the best one for your needs. Happy cooking!